Good, yes. Just so the arms hang loosely. Now a 10-meter circle. Good, fine, yeah, let her do that. Always good. Then come back to the walk. Careful walk. 4 walk steps, trot. Good. So, now these few little transitions is a good thing for a young horse. So again, in the corner, let the arms hang loosely. 10-meter circle. You just sit and let the horse do. Heels down, walk. 1, 2, 3, 4, trot. Lovely. Yes, yes, yes. All these little transitions, every transition brings the haunches a little bit more under. It's 10% of an inch, not more. But when you do it 3 times, then you have 30% of an inch. Oh, and when you do it 30 times, then you have a lot. Oh, it's very nice. Center line. Now, you see, she trots now in another way, you know. The hind legs are deeper, no? Deeper. Shoulder 4, and now leg yielding to the outside. Oh yes, lovely, 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 lovely. Let go, yeah? It is a long, shallow line, what you do. Okay, center line, shoulder in right. So, yes. Let arms hang loosely, now leg yielding to the outside. At the girth. Big, 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 big. Good so. And now the 10-meter circlet A. And then, oh, yes. Yeah, lovely. Lovely. That's good. Now, undershot and the hard now. Feet down hard. Lovely, hard. Yes. Yeah, she stands under. Reining back. On the left rein. When the neck is round. Sit up, sit in front. Yes, 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 and trot. Lovely. Arms loosely, trot. Good. Now the diagonal. Good. Sitting trot. Let the arms hang completely loosely. So it's good. Yeah, lovely. Now she starts to carry. Now we go on the center line. And we go from there, from the shoulder in, the half, the lateral movement to the right side. Into the hanging down right arm. Oh yes. Yes. Forehand, 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 that's it. Yes. And on the circle. Good job. Yes. And now, come back to 4 walk steps. Easy. Driving in. So 1, 2, 3, 4, trot. Now leg. Kick a little bit. So again. Somewhere 4 walk steps. When you feel it. Good. Good. That's classical riding. That is how a young horse must be ridden. And trot. Open the legs. Open the legs. Give a kick now. Kick. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh yes. And come again. Jawohl. Jawohl. Careful. The walk. The feet down, walk. 1, 2, 3, 4, trot. Yeah. Yeah. That's it. That's it. Oh, again the leg yield. Oh yes, do it now. Just do it easily. Come over, 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 over. That's good so. Now, go on the center line and make leg yield left and right. A little bit to the side. Go a little bit to the side now. Turn a little bit. Now straight. Now back to the other side. Oh yes. 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 And straight. And back. Yeah, don't hang on. So, and straight. And straight. Good so. Yeah. Yeah. Now the leg yield again. So go up to the quarter line. Legs right, quarter line. Now straight. And to the outside. Yes. 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 Super. Yeah. Here we go. Here we go. Yeah. These horses, they learn from the very beginning. Oh, it's good. That dressage has nothing to do with stress. It has to do with fun. Yes, 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 yes. Oh, super. And now on the rising cross, let us stretch down on the circle, 20-meter circle. Give the rein carefully, right? Into it. Oh, into it. That's it. Yeah, I like that. And wow. So now we take the double Bible. Good job.